Alright, so welcome guys to another unboxing, and today we're gonna check out Plextone gear. So these are gaming gear on a budget. So we have a headset here and also a USB-C DAC as well. And yeah, we're gonna check out what's inside the box and also do some initial testing on this as well. But I'm actually really interested in this one more so compared to this one, because as I mentioned in my unpacking, there's only one USB DAC that I have that has a charging as well, and that is definitely more expensive. So we're gonna check this out second, and then we're gonna check this out first. So this is the Plextone G700 gaming headset. So Plextone lightweight gaming gear, and this around $10 as well. So microphone can be turned on, and you're getting this very gamer design, lightweight endurance gaming gear. So one of the lightest over-ear headphones for gamers. So equipped with the 50mm drivers, stainless steel material arm, rotating microphone, equipped with 900mm wide splitter as well, and great for compatibility. And I do prefer headsets when playing on a PC, because yeah, you have more space on your PC, but of course on the go I do prefer of course earphones. And this is what you get in the box. So you're getting that wide splitter as they said. So not the best quality in the wide splitter here. So opening it up, so yeah, from the get-go, not the most premium unboxing experience. But yeah, I didn't expect much for this price range. So looking at the headphone itself, so this is the look that you're gonna get. So actually you do have kind of a matte finish here at the top, and also at the side as well. Some plastics here. And actually I got the orange version, and here at the side actually you're getting indeed some metal reinforcement here. So from their description, they were mentioning that these are lightweight, and I would say these are just fine. I would say average, not the most lightweight that I've held. This still has some weight to it for me. Alright, so build quality wise, it's built of mostly plastic. At the top you have some plastics as well, and you're getting that really gamer-esque look to the headphone itself, and gamer trims at the side as well. So this kind of looks like buttons, but they're not buttons. And here you're getting that mic on and off, which is definitely a plus. You're getting maybe some volume controls here. Also you're getting that mic as well, and actually it has some clicks to it, and actually quite long also. So at the top you're getting some foams here. I would say not the softest, but it does have some cushioning here. And at the side you're getting some cushioning as well. And also yes, it doesn't have some swivels here, and yeah, I do prefer some swivels, especially for some gaming gear. And actually it's quite flexible, so this might be still okay to wear on the air because of the flexibility. But yeah, build quality overall for me, of course this is still in the budget space, but I would say for the price that you're paying for, I would say not that bad overall. So I have seen cheaper ones compared to this, like maybe the Zeus. When I check that out, those feel more cheap compared to this one. So this is a slight notch up, but I would say yes, I'm still in the budget space for the build quality here. And also looking at the cable as well, you're getting actually that braided cable, and it's attached cable as well. So this is non-removable cables. Right, so let's put this aside and open up the USB-C DAC. Right, so checking the box out, GS1 Mark II 3-in-1 Type-C gaming audio charge adapter. So again, the unique selling point is you can listen to your tunes while charging. So if you're gonna play for a long listening session, this can work. 3-in-1 Type-C gaming audio charge adapter, support Type-C mobile phone, microphone recording function, curved design, and also driver free installation as well, plug and play. Right, and you're getting that maybe braided cable as well. So this is again interesting because yeah, sometimes if you're gonna play for maybe a long gaming session, it will take you maybe a couple of hours of gaming. And yeah, sometimes for more extraneous games, you do like to be plugged in your socket. So you won't be able to do that if you just have maybe a USB-C, and if you're using of course a wired. So this comes to the rescue because you can play and charge at the same time. And this is gonna be your unboxing experience. You're getting that USB-C right away, getting some manuals, and that's actually in the big side, so I was surprised about that. But what's interesting here is you're getting that L plug at the top. So this might be something that you can maybe attach. So it has maybe some adhesive as well here. That's actually interesting. And maybe you have a case and you can put this on top here. That's actually interesting. That's a nice design here. So build quality is mostly plastic, and you're getting that braided cable as well. It says GS1 3-in-1. So looking at the features itself, you're getting the 3.5mm jack for your headphone. Here you're getting the charging as well, and here it seems to be a mic attachment here, USB-C as well. So you're getting actually two USB-Cs, and that's actually surprising, especially for the price that you're paying for. And yeah, very simple design here, but I do like that you can, tape it at the back of your phone. And of course, that might give you a more sleek design overall. All right, so sampling it with my S21 Ultra. So my S21 Ultra doesn't have 3.5mm jack, and this is what it's gonna look like actually. So we're gonna plug in the BD005 Pro in this regard, and I try to listen to some tunes. Works like a charm here. And actually, I'm actually experiencing maybe slightly bigger soundstage, which can be cool for some people here. Yeah, the listen is quite good. It can get to a good volume as well. So I have a listenable volume at around 40%, 35%. Right, now let's try out the G700 and have our first listen. So actually with the USB tag and also this headphone, so for you to get listenable volume, need to be around 80-70%. Right now listening to the G700. So yeah, for me, the vocal is recessed in the mix, and it's in the warm side as well in presentation. But yeah, the mix for me is a bit veiled for me in the mix. And yeah, the bass here is definitely prominent in the mix. But I would say, yeah, not overly done. It's not, super bassy. You still have some highs on the top here. But yeah, this is not your brightest headphone. Let's try some lead with door open. So yeah, the vocal for me is reset in the mix and a bit veiled as well. The sound though is quite tight in the overall presentation. So again, it has, elevation at the bottom end, but not overly done. So I would say not that bad in separation here. So I would say this is not something that you want to use for some music listening. Alright, now let's go to the gaming performance, and let's start out with the G700. So we played some Valorant, and yeah, for Valorant, the positioning of the footsteps is really important. So I would say overall for the G700, it's just locating maybe a ballpark of the position. So the footsteps is not that precise for me. So I would say for casual gaming, this can work. But if you want the utmost performance, if you're gonna do some competitive gaming, you will find this lacking in that regard. I also did encounter maybe some very slight fatigue here when playing some Valorant. So you should take note of that as well. Even if the sound is more in the tight side of presentation, the bass is not overly done. So I would say the imaging in soundstage is not that good for me for accurate positioning. But again, for casual playing, this will be fine. Alright, so this is the mic test of the G700. So I have it maybe around 80 degrees from my mouth. So it's slightly angled, to reduce the plosives. But yes, since the mic boom is quite long, you can definitely position it anywhere you want in front of your mouth. You can, put it directly 90 degrees or 80 degrees or 70 degrees. So it'll be up to you, in the usage. But since the mic boom is long, you can customize it to your liking. But how is the sound quality? Is it clear enough? Let me know down in the comments below. For the Plextone GS1, so firstly, when gaming and in the landscape mode as well, the L plug is actually pretty cool on this. So it didn't affect the handling that much for me. So I did like the L plug decision here. So again, the soundstage is pretty good on this. It's actually decent. So this is one of the major things that I noticed in this. So if you're gonna do some gaming and you have a pretty good IEM or earphone, this might give you decent soundstage overall. But yeah, this is not your most detailed pair. So actually it's quite relaxed in the presentation. So actually it might give you less fatigue in listening to maybe more revealing IEMs. But I would say because of that soundstage and more relaxed sound, this does perform well for me in some gaming. So I would say overall for the G700, so performance. For the GS1, I'm quite pleased with the performance overall. Alright, so that's actually our unboxing of the G700 and the GS1. So for me personally, between these two, this is the more interesting one for me because I don't have a headphone jack in my phones, and you have charging as well. And I actually don't have a USB-C, USB DAC with a charger. So yeah, if I'm gonna do maybe some casual gaming, this is something that I can use if I want to. For this one, I would say it's just so for me. I didn't like the sound quality here overall. So yes, it will be up to you. it has a tight sound as well. It can be good for some gaming. But yeah, for me overall, I was a bit underwhelmed by the G700. Definitely for the GS1, this is really cool for me. Alright, so that's our check with the G700 Plextone and also GS1 as well. More in the budget space in gaming. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpolt unboxing. Goodbye.